in today's cooking class, we learnt a lot. It was an enlightening experience. We made protein-rich curd without milk and even malai kofta. I never knew that was possible.
Kitchen is just superb. Awesome food, so tasty. I can't believe it. It's so tasty without oil.
The class was amazing. We all had a great time. Especially the cheese was really good.
I loved the cooking class. This was my first time attending any cooking class. Really loved it. I've really enjoyed, especially how they explained us how to do.
You demonstrated and it's so easy to make it, and I think I'm going to try all these things at home, and it was deliciously tasty, which I didn't expect.
Everything, and the oilless tadka dal is amazing, and all the food, the cheese, the nippat, everything was amazing.
It's been amazing. Whatever dishes they have prepared, it's the taste. You just cannot make out that it is without dairy or without oil. So it's just amazing.
And in the end, we got this amazing session of the sound therapy, which was a bonus. So it was wonderful.
Excited to try the sound therapy, and the cooking class was great. We learned how we can cook tasty food without oil also.
And the sound therapy was amazing. I think we're all going to go there every week.
We loved the sound therapy as well. Looking forward to join it.
It was a good experience and I'll definitely come back.
Thank you.